Hi guys, it's Glenn here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use match function in Excel. Match function is used to locate the position of a lookup value in a row, column, or tables. So I have here this column which I put the commission percentage and the commission type A, B, and C. And for A is 5%, B 8%, and C is 8%. And I have a sample table here also, which I put the type, name, amount on the percentage type of each person. So I'm going to put a match function here. If you are a beginner in using Excel, you just go to FX, insert function, and you will find here lots of function. You just type. Of course the match is here, but I'll just show you that by searching functions here you will get a lot of functions and see a lot of functions that you can use, just like that, and click OK. And after that you will also see here the description of that certain function. For example, the match function, the description here is returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. And you will also see here 3 rows, which is the lookup value, lookup array, and match type. You will also see the description of this row. For example, I click the lookup array or lookup value. You will also see here the description. Lookup value is the value used to find value you want in the array, a number, text, or logical value, or a reference to one of these. So the lookup value is the value that we will use to look up the data. For example, in this area, our lookup value is this column, which is the D10. Since if we type a letter here, it will give a result in this column. And for lookup array, you will also see here the description, which says it is a contiguous range of cells containing possible lookup values, an array of values, or reference to an array. So our lookup array is this area. It's where we get the values. When we type letter here or values, it will send some data here and it will give result to this area. So our lookup array is this cells. And now for the match type. Match type is a number 1, 0, or 1 indicating which value to return. For 0, it means for the exact amount, and for 1 is the related. But we want to get the exact amount or exact value, that's why we need to use the 0. And click OK. And as you can see here, since former President Obama is B, so the type percentage here is 2. If I change this to C, of course it will also change to 3. So that's it. And I also have another example here so that you will understand more. Here I have the list of top selling products, and just imagine you have top 100 product and you will just want to find a certain products. So for example, here is the bakery, and as you can see, it is in the fifth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I will also type perishable, and we'll change this. It's a wrong spelling. Let's copy this. And now I'm gonna show you how to use match function without using this fx or insert function. All you need to do is just type equals and type match. So as you can see here in the match, when we type the match function, we also see here the lookup value, lookup array, and match type. So our lookup value in this table is the E29, and put comma, and our lookup array are these items here, and just put comma, and you can look up this function by clicking F4, and just put comma again and type, and the description here is 1 is less than, and 0 is the exact match, and -1 is greater than. So we will use 0 for the exact match, and close parenthesis. So there you go, perishable is in the 6th position. So try to count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just imagine you have hundreds or 500, and by doing match function you will easily know what position is that specific item. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in this video. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.